Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching my video. So do you find yourself building funnels for your online business and you want to find a way to map them out in a really easy way? Well, I wanted to share with you a really cool tool that I discovered that is a totally free funnel mapping software that will help you map out simple sales funnels that you can build out right from your website, or you can use them to build out on any other funnel software. And I found it really helpful. So if you are interested in finding out what this funnel mapping software is so you can mastermind funnels on the fly, then keep on watching. Okay guys, well thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Barbie Figueroa. I truly appreciate that you're here. Please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I am really excited to share this particular tool with you today. Like I said, my company was building out a funnel for a client from his WordPress website, and I was looking for a funnel software so that I can basically, map out exactly what the funnel would look like. And what's out there are like more really sophisticated funnel software, and I wanted to look for something kind of just simple, right? Something that I could just, basically brain dump the format and the flow of a funnel and kind of build it and watch it come to life, right? So I don't remember how I found it, but I discovered this free funnel mapping software that I thought was really cool. So I kind of just wanted to run you how to use it and what it is and all that good stuff. So the name of the funnel software is called Funnelytics. And I don't know, it looks like they're in beta version now or something. I don't know. But I really like this. And, even if right now they don't have like a monthly fee, it's totally free. But I would totally, with some little improvements, I would totally use this as a tool in my business. I really like that. So basically what Funnelytics lets you do is it lets you create a visual layout of any sales funnel, okay? So let me just go ahead and show you one that I just did, and it's called the discovery call application. Okay, so basically what I did was I mapped out a discovery call simple funnel, right? And it allowed me to basically create these pages. Now I want to show you, this is the end result, but I want to show you how cool this is, because the pages don't start out looking this way. So let me walk you through really quickly so you can see exactly how you can create a funnel using this software. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new project, okay, and I'm just going to call it discovery call application funnel test 2, yeah. Whoops. Okay, so go ahead and create that. Okay, now I want to go ahead and click on here and go to create funnel. So then you want to call it whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to call it test funnel. So go ahead and create it. So I'm going to start building out my pages, okay? So basically, let me show you what we're going to build, okay? Which is basically a discovery call info page on a website, a pre-call application page, and the thank you booking calendar, all right? So let me show you what this looks like on my website first. So basically, what my application looks like is, this is assuming that someone is already on your website. So you have, it's a different type of lead getting form, I would say. So the application funnel is basically you are getting the lead after they've filled out a short qualification form. Okay, so basically the way it works is you're not going to have like technically a lead capture page. You are still collecting leads, but you are not actually using what would normally be a regular standalone capture page. You're going to actually use like an application form. So what I do is what I have and what we build out for our clients is we just have basically kind of like a soft pre-sale kind of page that kind of says, hey, work with me, let's strategize on marketing a plan that allows you to grow your business and increase your email subscriber list. And I kind of, give a little description of what it's like, to work together, a little copywriting, some testimonials, etc. Okay. And then they can go ahead, and this is a funnel. This is basically like a funnel within a website. All right. It's just a different type of funnel. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to fill out the questionnaire. And then after somebody fills out the questionnaire, okay, this is collecting the information, right? So go ahead and they go ahead and grab the information, or they fill out the information, I should say, and that gives me information. So when this form comes in, I already know a little bit more about the person that filled out this form before I go do the discovery call, right? And then finally, after they submit the application, now we take them over to the booking calendar. All right, so now once they send in the information, after they fill out the questionnaire, they get redirected to a discovery call booking calendar where they can go ahead and book their time slot for 15 minutes. Okay, so basically that is what we're going to build, and I use Calendly, and I'll also have in my description box what I used for the questionnaire and what I use for my calendar and all that stuff. Okay, so basically all you have to do is just grab this video, build out your funnel, and you'll have a cool little map on how you can build your own discovery call funnel yourself. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to the pages right here, and you'll see that we have a bunch of little cool little icons here for each page. So what we're going to do is, we're not going to do an opt-in form. We are going to do a discovery call info page. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to call it like a sales page, because it's technically a page inside your website. All right. Now, here's some cool little icons where you can edit some stuff and, make these pages have more information as you're building this out. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the little pencil. And right here, I'm just going to put discovery call info page. Okay. And make sure to hit enter, and that way it'll update that. All right. Now you can duplicate this page, or you can even create a target for it. So let's say you have a goal for this. You can put yes, it's a goal, and you can call it whatever you want. And maybe you want to make a sales from it, and the value of this page is, maybe the coaching call or the discovery call. Well, discovery calls are usually free, but let's say it was a coaching call and you want to charge whatever, $200, $300, $400, whatever you want to do. You can put the value in here, and then you can put here what your goal is for that. All right, so I'm not going to do a goal for this particular one. I just wanted to show you that example, and this is just to change the icon, which really, I'm not going to use that. So we're going to just leave this right here for now. Okay, and we're going to go back, and you're going to see how cool that once we start building out these pages, you can actually have a map of how you're going to link them up, and then once you put that link in here, it'll give you a live preview of what that page looks like, which I think is super duper cool. All right, second page is the pre-call application page. So after that, I'm just gonna put here survey, okay, and that will represent the application questionnaire. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and put the little pencil and put pre-call questionnaire. Okay, hit enter, and now what we do is we can go ahead and link these two, and it'll put a little arrow letting you know that this connects to here. Okay, so now the last part of this particular funnel is we are going to have the booking calendar. So after they submit their information, they're going to go directly. Now, how you do this is completely up to you. Personally, I like to screen my questionnaires, and I like to kind of see the answers first, and then I will send them a link to my calendar. But if you're busy and you're running traffic and you just want to knock this out, and you want to just get as many people applying for this as possible, you can completely automate this process if you follow this funnel. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put calendar here. Okay, and then this is where we're going to put thank you. It's kind of going to be like a thank you page. Thank you and booking. Okay. Now what's really cool is, let's say for example between here and here, you have like a follow-up email process, okay? I'm not going to do that, but I just want to show you an example. What you could do is you can go here and you can select email, right? And you can put like your follow-up email. You can put it here, and then right here you're going to put a link, and you can drag this little arrow down, okay? And that'll show you that this then connects to this email right here. Okay, I thought that was really cool. All right, so I just wanted to show that to you, but we're not going to do that for this example. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to go back and show you how cool you can go ahead and enter notes. All right, so the discovery call info page, that is just like a you know, like a pre-sales page that we added. So here I'm going to put the link. And this is really, really helpful, especially if you're connecting autoresponders and you're connecting pages. That way, as you go through your notes, you know exactly what goes connected with what. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and generate the thumbnail, and it'll actually populate my page. So if you are building this out for a client, or you're building this out for yourself, you have a visual picture of your own pages so that you can connect them and build them out together. I thought that was really, really cool. Okay, and so now here, the pre-call questionnaire, I want to go ahead and write some notes. And for my pre-call questionnaire, I'm going to be using form craft, and I'm going to put a note here that we are going to redirect to Calendly booking calendar via Aweber. And I'm just going to write that down so that I make sure to make those connections. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put work with me right here, and I'm going to generate the thumbnail. All right, and then the final thing we're going to do is we're going to populate the discovery call calendar. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to put the little pencil, and I'm going to go here. Okay, and you can write any other little notes that you want, and I'm going to generate this thumbnail. Now, usually this is good, like if you're showing, you know, a client an example of this, or if you are, you know, you just want to have this in a file or something like that. Normally, what I would just do is have the little generic icons and then print this out. They'll go ahead, build the pages, come back, plug in those links, and that way I can visually see how everything, you know, fits together. Okay, so that's just my process, and that's it. So now this funnel is ready, and all you have to do is go ahead and export it. You can save it as a template, or you can export it as a PNG file, and then it'll actually create a little, you know, a little picture for you, which is pretty cool. Okay, so now you can just go ahead and build this up on your WordPress website, which I thought was really, really cool. So I really like this software. Right now it's free. There's a bunch of things that you can do. You can put emails, you can, like, you know, put like traffic, how to drive traffic to this page. You know, you can basically funnel map your funnel, right, using this software. So I really, really think it's pretty darn cool. So let me know what you think. So if you want a copy of this little 3-page funnel, I'll be more than happy to give it to you. Just click on the link below this video, and I'll send you a free copy with my notes and with the other tools that I use to build out this funnel. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this software, or if you found this video valuable, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you build out the funnel and you use the software, I would love to hear how it worked for you. All right, so anyway, this has been Barbie Figueroa. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on another video. Bye.